Okay, this question is good. Let's solve this question. I would I will give you 2 minutes to solve this question, and then we'll solve it together if you're not able to solve it. Okay, do this question. Okay. So in the schools आपके तो chapters सारे cover हो गए होंगे. I hope so.
Yes, sir.
Samira, Kiran, and Jasleen.
Yes, sir. Everything is done.
So
Yes,
revision
sir.
is going on in the school, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So why did you join so late? Okay, Madiha is also joining the class right now. Hi Madiha, Assalamu alaikum. Hello Madiha, how are you? Madhiya, I'm audible here.
तुम अपना मोबाइल से करोगे क्या कर भी ली सब गूगल दे रहे हैं ठीक है
Madhiya, dear, you can mute yourself for a while. Okay, Jasleen. Okay, what about the others? Samina and Kiran, tell me the answers. Jasleen already answered me. So how's the weather in Middle East right now? It's cold.
It's all right.
It's all right. Who wants to visit India? Like it's in India, it's very cold. Like my hands are shivering right now because of the cold. It's around, I think, it's if I say this, it's around 8 something like at this point of time. Okay, so look at the screen, everybody. Madiha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, that's good. Why are you so late, Madiha, dear?
Sir, I have network issues. I'm in India right
Acha,
now.
acha. Okay, dear. Okay, no issues here, no issues. Okay, so let's so Madhya, I've just started the class and I've given the question to the class. Okay, so let's solve this question together once. Okay, so this question is saying that a metallical cylinder is there, which is a radius of height 3 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter. So to reduce its weight, a conical hole is drilled in the cylinder. So the height of the radius of the conical hole is 3.2 centimeter and the depth is, which is basically height, is 8 by 9 centimeter. We need to calculate the volume of the metal left after the drilling. Okay. So let's calculate the volume of cone first. Okay. Volume of cone, which is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay. So, the radius is 3 by 2 and the height is this. So let me write this as r dash is 3 by 2 centimeter. H dash is 8 by 9 centimeter. Clear? Put the values here. 1 by 3 into pi r square h. So 1 by 3 into what is the r is 3 by 2. Okay. 22 by 7 into 3 by 2 into 8 by 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 8 by 9. So this 9 will get cancelled by this 3 and 3 into 3. Yes or no? Yes or no? And this 2 will cancel this 11 times. So the left is 11 into 8 divided by 3 into 7 into 2. Clear? Centimeter cube. So this is the volume that has been taken out, or you can say drilled out from the cylinder. Is this the same answer, Jasleen? Please can verify.
Yes, sir.
In terms of fraction, I will cancel it out further, but before that, I would like to, you can say, cancel, like take the cylinder of the metal. Oh, sorry, basically volume of the cylinder. Clear? So now we have to take the volume of the cylinder because this and the remaining, basically the remaining metal will be the volume of cylinder minus volume of cone. Yes or no? That's what. Okay, so let's find out volume of cylinder first. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h 22 by 7. R is 3 into 3 into 5. So this is coming out to be 22 by 7 into 45 centimeter cube. Okay? Yes or no? So the question is basically now we have found out the volume of cylinder, and the question is asking that the volume of metal left in the cylinder to the volume of metal taken out. It means that you have to subtract the volume of cone from the cylinder to get the first quantity, which is their volume left. Yes or no? Volume left of metal, yes or no? Please respond to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So it
sir.
is volume of cylinder minus volume of cone. Okay. So take the 11 into 8 by 3 into 7 into 2 minus 22 by 7 into 45. Now from these two terms, can I take 7 common in the denominator and 11 common from the numerator? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
11 by 7, 8 by 6 is left minus, अच्छा एक चीज और यहाँ पे हम इसको और रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं ना. So 4 will be left here, 4 by 3. 4 by 3 minus what is left here? 2 into 45 is left. Clear? Yes or no? Because 11 into 2, 22 by 7, that's what we have taken out from this factor. Okay. So 11 by 7, just take the LCM. It is 3 and it would be 4 minus, just a second. Okay, okay. To me, I just taken the volume of cylinder I should have to put first. I've just so 22 by 7 into 45 minus this, cancel this 4 times. So 11 into 4 by 3 into 7. Now take the common 11 by 7. You taken out common, which is left is 2 into 45 minus 4 by 3. ठीक है. 11 by 7, 90 into 3 minus 4 divided by 3. Clear? So it is left is 11 by 7 into 90 into 3, 180, and 180 divided by 4 minus 4, 180. It is 176 by 3. Clear? So 11 into 176 by 21 centimeter cube is the volume left. And we need to calculate the ratio. So volume of metal left divided by volume of cone. That's what we need to find. It is equals to 11 into 176 by 21 divided by, it is the value 11 into 4 by 20. 11 into 4 by 3 into 7. So this 21 will cancel this 21. Yes or no? This 11 will cancel this. So the left is 176 by 4. So 2 8s are 16 and 16, 88 by 2. And it is 44. So what is coming out to be 44 is to 1. Jasleen, you gave me 133 by 2, right? Come to me. Just a second. पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है। आज कैल 2-3 दिन से कैलकुलेशन बहुत मिस्टेक कर रही है। सॉरी डियर, सॉरी। सॉरी एवरीबॉडी। तो पता नहीं क्या मसला चल रहा है मेरे साथ, 2-3 दिन से कैलकुलेशन बहुत प्रॉब्लम कर रही है मुझे। ठीक है, जसलीन यू आर राइट। सो इट इज 133 बाय, तो दिस इज द आंसर। Clear? Sorry everybody for the wrong answer from my side. Okay, so is this clear to everybody? Please let me know.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me check one more question. कोई is there any question left जिसको हम किया जाए? Hmm, we've already taken this question. Okay, last question, and then we'll move to start the. Okay, okay. One more thing. So you have do you have the idea of trigonometry from the start, or or you have to I have to start that chapter from the scratch? Please let me know, because you abhi I think some like Kiran said ki sirf sir last exercise.
Yes,
So
sir. Exercise was hard.
okay, okay, no issues. बट हम आई थिंक स्टार्टिंग से ही होना होगा स्टार्ट, क्योंकि चैप्टर आपने अभी कवर नहीं किया होगा ना ट्रिग्नोमेट्री।
No, sir, it's fine.
Okay, so we have to start from the scratch. Okay, no issues, no issues here. We'll do that chapter as well. Okay, do this question and then we'll start the trigonometry. Okay. Any answer?
Mhm.
Any answer? Okay, so look at the screen. Okay, I think I got the answer in the chat. Okay, Jasleen. Okay, Samina. Okay. Let's find out. ठीक है. So toy is in the shape of hemisphere. Basically a cone mounted by a hemisphere of base radius, uh, of same base radius. So and we need the volume is already given. So volume is given as 231 centimeter cube, right? And diameter is given as, so r will be equals to 7 by 2, yes or no, because same base hai both of the cone and the hemisphere, yes or no? We need to find the height of the toy. It's a little bit like this. Cone is there, and basically like this. So this height is already 7 by 2, yes or no? This height will be h, yes or no? So your total height, sorry, this height, suppose that this height is x. So your total height is equals to x plus 7 by 2, yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clear? So your height is equals to x plus 7 by 2 centimeter. Okay. So now you just have to take the put the, basically the total volume will be in the form of, the total volume is in the form of hemisphere volume plus cone volume of cone हेमिस्फेयर, ठीक है. So it is given as 231 and volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h plus of 2 by 3 pi r cube. So I can take common pi r square by 3 from both the sides. Pi r square by 3, yes or no? Pi r square by 3, yes or no? And what will be left here? H plus r, 2r, sorry. Yes or no? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And it is equals to 231. 231 is equals to 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 1 by 3. So this 7 will cancel this 7. Okay. And this 2 will cancel this by 22 11 times. Okay. So into h plus 2r, 2 into 7 by 2. So it is h plus 7 basically. Okay. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So okay. So 231 divided by 11. This 11 will go in the denominator and 3 will go in the numerator. Into 7. This 7 will go in the denominator, and this 2 will go in the denominator. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And if you divide this 231 by 11 times, it will be 2 and 1. And 7 3 is 21. So what is left here? H plus 7. So h plus 7 is equals to 9 to the 18. So h is coming out to be 18 minus 7, which is equals to 11 centimeter. Is this the answer that you have got?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, very good. So this is the clear. This is the answer. Okay, so let's start the next thing, which is trigonometry. I hope it's clear now.
Yes, sir.
Sure, that's great. So this chapter is done. So let's start this new chapter, which is trigonometry. Intro. So first topic is trigonometric ratios. Okay. So basically your trigonometry is applied in the right angle triangle. Have you heard the Pythagoras theorem?
Yes, sir.
Can
Yes,
anybody
sir.
tell me what is the Pythagoras theorem? Hmm? Can anybody tell me what is Pythagoras theorem?
AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square.
Hmm. Acha, okay, okay. You are saying in terms of sides. Okay, okay, ठीक है. Correct, correct. So basically, Pythagoras theorem is used in which we can say a triangle.
Right angle triangle.
Right angle triangle में use होता है. Very good. And so basically, this trigonometric ratios, basically trigonometry is a chapter in which we study the measurement and you can say the angle. Okay. And this topic is basically purely based on the right angle triangle. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's understand. So we have basically three basic ratios होते हैं and उनके inverse होते हैं 3. बेसिकली जो आपके फंडामेंटल्स कह सकते हैं आप, द फंडामेंटल्स आर 3 एंड आफ्टर दैट जस्ट इनवर्स देम यू विल गेट अनदर 3. Okay, so first of all, this is a 90 degree, yes or no? And this is perpendicular, if I take this angle as theta, yes or no? Because opposite to theta is always perpendicular, and this will be base, and this hypotenuse will be opposite to 90 degree, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Clear? But if you change the theta, suppose that this is theta, and now I'm taking this as theta, this angle as theta. So now if I change this theta, basically your base will be perpendicular, and your perpendicular will become your base, yes or no? Hypotenuse will remain same. Yes or no?
Yes,
Please
sir.
let me know.
Yes, sir.
Clear, eh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So basically it means that your perpendicular and base are interchangeable with respect to theta. If you change the theta, your perpendicular will become your base, and base will become your perpendicular. Hypotenuse will remain same like in both the condition. If you choose this as theta, if you choose this as theta, it's up to you. Hypotenuse will remain because 90 degree is fixed. Now only this complementary angles are changing. Yes or no? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's do this thing. Okay. So let's find it out. Suppose that this is A, okay, B, and this is C, and this is a 90 degree. And suppose that I'm assuming, okay, this equal ले लेते हैं theta, angle C as theta. Okay. So we have 6 ratios. First is sine, second is cos, third is tan, fourth is cot, sec, and it is cosec. Clear? So we have 6 ratios right now. So if I'm taking theta as C, so I will write C here. Okay, sine C. Clear? Because I'm taking all the ratios with respect to angle C. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So your ratios is nothing but the the arrangement of the you can say adjacent side. Okay. So in the sine ratio, the perpendicular and the hypotenuse sides are involved. So if I'm taking theta as this, it will become perpendicular, yes or no? And this will become base. And this will become your hypotenuse, yes or no? Yes or
Yes, sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So basically the ratio of sine is written as perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay. If you take the ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse, it will give you the sine of that angle. Clear? Is this clear
Yes,
that what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Okay. Now if I write this AB by BC, okay? So value of P will be equals to AB. Yes or no? AB by BC. Clear? Let's take to the second part. And cos C is the ratio of base upon hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse. So it will be equals to AB by AC. Sorry. So AB by AC. Hypotenuse is AC, no? AC. It will be equals to BC upon AC. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Is this clear so far? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So the next ratio is basically, you can say, the ratio of sine and cos will give you the tan. There are two methods. First one is the normally the similar one, P upon B, the perpendicular and base will give you the ratio of tan, which is equals to AB by BC, yes or no? And suppose that if you take the ratio of sine and cos, what you will get? H will get cancelled, yes or no? What is left is P by B, yes or
Yes, sir.
no? So
Yes,
it
sir.
means that tan is nothing, but if you understand the basic two ratios, which is sine and cos, you will be able to calculate the tan, sine and cos, because you just have to divide the sine by cos. You will get the tan. Okay? Yes or no? At least try to me. At least answer to me.
Yes, sir.
Clear? And the remaining three ratios are just nothing but the inverse of the remaining three. So cot is the inverse of tan. So 1 by tan C. So if you inverse it, your B will go in the numerator and P will go in the denominator. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
BC upon AC equals to. Okay. Sec is the inverse of cos. B upon H, which is equals to AC upon BC. Clear? Cosec is the inverse of sine. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt so far that we have covered? Clear, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So let's find out if you change the angle. Now in the next portion, we will be taking A as theta. Clear? So let me draw this triangle. Let me copy this one. Okay, let me copy this triangle here. And this is not your theta. And this is the theta now. And this will become your perpendicular and this will become your base, yes or no? Let's take the sine A, which is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is perpendicular in this case?
AB.
AB? Not AB, it's BCD.
BC.
Perpend theta, basically side opposite to theta is nothing but your perpendicular. Clear? So it is BC upon hypotenuse is AC. Now compare this thing. Your sine A, the value of sine A and cos A are matching. Yes or no? Yes or no? It means that your sine will become cos if you change the angle. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And the next is cos of A is B upon H, which is equals to AB by AC. Now your cos will become, basically your sine will become cos if you change the angle. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? And sim again, tan will be taken as P by B is equals to cos, sorry, not cos, it's sine. It's the ratio of sine and cos, no? By cos, it is equals to BC by AB. Okay. And now just take the opposite of them, inverse of them, cosec A is equals to AC upon BC. Clear? Next is sec of A, it will be equals to AC upon AB. Okay. And is cot of A is equals to AB upon BC. Clear, everybody? Yes or no, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So you can see that thing. It's just the inverse. Basically, if you change the angle, your sine will become cos and cos will become sine. You just have to keep that in mind. Take one thing in basic, the ratio. And if you are taking any angle as theta, side opposite to that theta is perpendicular. Clear? Azmat, where were you, dear? It's almost end of the class.
Sir, I was having Wi-Fi issues and actually the electricity was off.
Okay. It's almost the end of the class, and that's why I've just okay. So no issues, but dear, try to be on time. Okay.
Yes, sir. It won't
Yeah.
happen.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. No issues. Clear? What I've spoken so far, everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Please
sir.
let me know. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Sure.
No.
Okay. So that is the basic of the this intro. Basically, the trigonometric ratios. Clear? Okay. So I don't think so. We have enough time. To just a second. Let me check that whether there are some numerical based on this. Just a second. Give me a moment. Okay, let's do this question. It's a basic question. Okay, let's do this. Is this clear, everybody? Please let me know.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and okay, so okay, so this is the question based. Okay, so the value of tan A is given. Let's draw one triangle. So okay, don't there is no need to draw the triangle. Directly we can find it out. So tan A, can anybody tell me what is the ratio of tan? Hmm?
Opposite by adjacent.
Adjacent.
Opposite by adjacent, it means that perpendicular upon base. Clear? perpendicular upon base. It is given equals to 4/3. It means that your P is given as 4. Clear? B is given as 3. Okay. Now we need to calculate the other angle of A, the trigonometric ratios of angle A, which is sine, cos, cot, cosec and sec. Okay. So first of all, I can get the value of cot just by inversing them. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Cot is the inverse of tan, na?
Yes, sir.
Cot is okay. So if it's the inverse of cos, we can tan. Basically, we can just reciprocate it, and we'll get the value of cot. And if we need to calculate the sine and cos and cosec and sec, we need the value of hypotenuse as well, because that ratios involves hypotenuse in their ratios. So hypotenuse will be calculated as underscore of p square plus b square. P square is what? 16 plus 9 is equals to 25. So the hypotenuse is coming out to be 5. Clear? So I need sine. So sine A can be written as P by H, which is equals to 4 by 5. Okay. Next is cos A, which is B by hypotenuse is equals to
3 by 5.
3 by 5. Which is remaining is the reciprocal of these two. First one is cosec A will be equals to hypotenuse upon perpendicular, which is 5 by 4. And second is sec of A, which is the hypotenuse upon base, which is equals to 5 by 3. Clear, everybody? Please respond to me. Is it clear to you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure? Any
Yes.
doubt?
No, sir.
So that is how you will calculate the, you can say, the other trigonometric ratios. Clear? Clear right now?
Yes, sir.
My hands are little just like become very stiff. Okay, so that's why my speeds is my major speed, and that's why it's a little bit low. Okay, so just give me a moment. Let me check whether is there any question. Okay, let's do this questions. True, false. Okay, so the question is saying that the value of tan A is always less than 1. So basically, the max, I will tell you in the coming topic, we'll do this in the detail. You will get the maximum and minimum value of the trigonometric ratios. But right now, I'll explain it a little bit. The maximum value of tan can be 1. It can be equals to 1. Okay. And it's not always less than 1. It can be less than 1 and it can be equal to 1. So it is false. Okay. In the coming topic, I will explain it to you. Don't worry. Clear? And
Yes, sir.
sec A is equals to 12 by 5. Yes, it's possible that sec A can be greater than 1. Clear? I will tell you, I'll explain everything. Don't worry. I'll just take in this example so that we can have different types of question in the class. And cos A is the abbreviation of cosecant A. No. Cos, the full form of cos is cosine. Cos की full form होती है cosine. Cosecant is the full form of cosec. Cosecant is the full form of, so it is false. Clear? Cot is the product of cot into a. No. कभी भी जो whenever there is an angle written in the with the trigonometric ratios, it is not multiplied. No. It is a kind of function. Cot is a kind of function and the value of that function is a.